look who's here. It's Owlie. I found him on the shelf sleeping. He's been sleeping for 3 weeks. And I told him, you know what? You've got to get off that shelf and get busy and help Mrs. Schwartz get an owl lesson ready for the kids. And you know what? Woo! He just popped up and said he was ready to help. So he's going to help me show you your vocabulary cards and a few extra things. So get ready. Remember, whole body listening. And here we go. I want you to pretend you're on the carpet with me at school, okay? All right, how you doing, Owlie? I'm doing fine, Mr. Schwartz. Well, how have you been? I mean, seriously, it's been a long time. Oh, I'm doing pretty good. And I'm here to help the boys and girls. Hey, you guys, how are you? I'm going to come and see you closer. Oh, you look good. Okay, I'm ready, Mrs. Schwartz. Let's get started. Okay, here we go, Owlie. Owlie, this week we're going to learn about how we can take care of our earth. We're going to, we have been learning about our earth and the seasons and the weather. The 4 seasons, what were they again? Easy. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Oh, you were just being such a good listener. And oh, tell the kids that they need to be doing whole body listening while we're doing this lesson too, okay? Do you guys hear that? Whole body listening. Okay, sounds good. They're ready. Okay, here we go. So, Owlie, I'm going to have you, I'm going to give you the cards, and you're going to hold them so the kids can see them, okay, for their vocabulary. Because remember, we have to know 3,000 to 5,000 words by the time we're in kindergarten. So, here we go. This first one is to collect bottles, cans, and paper so that they can be made into more bottles, cans, and paper. This is called recycle. Okay, so look at the picture. Recycle. To use over again, to recycle. This is what you use to write or draw on. It sometimes comes in single sheets or in tablets and can be all different sizes. This is paper. Paper. And guess what? You can recycle paper. You can use it again. This is the planet we live on. Earth. Earth. This is bits and pieces of food and paper to be thrown away. This is the garbage. Garbage. This is a container used to hold liquids. Bottle. These are several bottles. Bottle. And this is a metal container used to hold food or other things. Fruits, vegetables, soup, and many other things in cans. So this is called a can. Can. Now, one of your projects this week are to make monster cans. Okay, it's one of your art projects that I sent home for you guys in your packets, and your parents can help you make a monster face with a can, because we're going to reuse the cans for an art project. That's very cool. Thanks, Owlie, that was a good job. Easy, thank you, Mrs. Schwartz. Okay, well, let's see. I remember that the book that you're going to read this week is called Think Green. And I've already made a video of it, and I want you to go ahead and watch it and follow along with the pages, and you'll know what it means to think green. There are some words that go with this book, so I'm going to have Owlie hold those up too so we can learn those. Remember, those are our wonder words. They're a little bit harder words for you to remember. Okay, here's the first one. This is plastic. In Think Green, plastic bags harm fish. Plastic is a material that can be shaped when it's hot. This is a blue plastic bag. Say plastic. In Think Green, we learn that plastic bags harm fish, and when you harm something, you hurt it. All of the trash will harm our planet. Say harm. Boy, whoever made all that trash wasn't caring about the earth, were they? In Think Green, the class separates paper. When you separate something, you keep it apart from other things. These children will separate the items into the right bins. Say separate. In Think Green, Gabriella's team brings recycling bins to school. A bin is a tub or a container to store things. This is a blue recycling bin. Say bin. And I want you to see this very cool symbol on the front of the bins, boys and girls. This is a recycle, reuse, and reduce symbol. And I put it in your packet to color for mindful coloring. And I want you to be looking around and see if you can see this symbol on milk cartons or on a plastic bottle or anything else that you have that you bought at the store from home. And maybe your parents can help you look around for finding this symbol, okay? Well, that was pretty good, Mrs. Schwartz. I hope you can show the kids these cards later on this week and see if they remember their vocabulary. Oh, thanks, Owlie. I'm sure they can. Well, now I'm going to read the poem, and it's called Let's Go Green. It's very hard for you to read from where you're at, so just listen, and you can kind of watch, and you know, maybe your parents can zoom in on the video with it, but I'll go ahead and read the poem, so you just stay right here, Owlie, and listen too. Let's go green. Around our city, let's go green. I'm certain you know just what I mean. Turn down the heat. Save a can. Use less hot water. Now that's a plan. Pick up trash. Throw it away. Let's go green every day. Oh, that was a very nice poem. And we talked about the ways that we can take care of the earth, and there's many places we can recycle paper, bottles, and cans. And here are some other things we can do. So it said, turn down the heat.